Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you are looking for a multi-tool that is incredibly handy, then look no further. This 12-in-1 multi-tool by Grip Grand Rapids Industrial Products is so useful and beneficial to us on our adventuring. I like this long nose pliers. It's strong, has a great grip, and busted through that rock that you just saw. I also like that it comes with a case so I can wrap it around and have it around my waist or a belt. And it is stainless steel, so you can use it on your water adventures. This is nice to have a knife. It's nice to have this tool because you never know when you're going to need any one of these nice accessories that it comes with. It has a great length and it's not too big or bulky for long travels or journeys like us because we like to hike to far places. And it is the perfect size to really get the work done with a saw knife. It has a file, which I find makes my camping so nice when I accidentally snag my nail. This loop on the inside can be looped so that you can have it right on your side or on your backpack. And I like that it opens up with the needle nose pliers. It has a spring in it and it's easy to use, open and close, and get to that sharp knife that's decent and long enough. Of course, you need a bottle opener if you want to, be out and have a nice cold drink. The pliers and all of these other accessories that you see here, such as the Phillips screwdriver, the small and medium flat screwdriver. This is really handy and it really makes for a fun time out in the nature.
I love it, but that's just my point of view.